Looking to protect your privacy online? Let's get started and learn how to download the Tor browser, the safest way to surf the web. Open your current browser and search for Tor. This is the name of the most secure browser available. Once the search results appear, click on the first link you see. Make sure it's the official website to stay safe. On the Tor browser website, scroll down and choose the version of Tor that's compatible with your operating system, whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once selected, click the download button. The download might take a bit of time depending on your internet speed, so let it finish. Once the setup file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder and open it. Follow the on-screen installation steps, just like you would with any other software. The installation may take a few moments. Be patient. After the installation is complete, open the Tor browser. The first thing you'll see is a connect button. Click on it to establish a secure connection. Since it's your first time using Tor, it might take a little longer to connect, but that's normal. Once the connection is established, the browser will open with DuckDuckGo set as the default search engine. You'll notice an option called the Onionize button. Make sure to turn it on for an extra layer of security. And that's it. You now have access to the most secure browsing experience available. Tor uses multiple layers of encryption and routes your connection through different computers and networks across the world, making it almost impossible for anyone to track you.